Okay, let's look at the 1.4, 1.5, number 12. All right, so we want to evaluate the limit of this given expression. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first thing you do, every time you evaluate the limit, you just plug in this number. All right, so we plug in 11 here, 11 minus 11. So the denominator goes to 0, right? Then plug in 11 for x on the numerator. You can see that the 11 plus 5 is 16 with a square root, so it's 4 minus 4. So the numerator also goes to 0, right? Now we're going to have to do something. All right, so if you multiply top and bottom, right, by almost the same thing as numerator except for the sign. So we're going to put square root of x plus 5 plus 4, right? Right, since we don't want to change the quantity, we're going to divide by exactly the same thing. So x square root of x plus 5 plus 4. All right? Then you notice that this is going to be, the numerator is going to be simply a minus b quantity times a plus b. So if you multiply it out, you will get a squared minus b squared, right? So I'm going to use that to simplify the multiply out the numerator, right? So we still have limit as x approaches 11, right? But the numerator is going to be, so a is square root of x plus 5. So if you square that, square root is gone. So it's going to be just the x plus 5 minus, right? So b squared, b is 4. So 4 squared is 16, right? Over, right? So we have x minus 11, right? Then we still have square root of x plus 5 plus 4. Right? So on top you have x plus 5 minus 16 is exactly the same thing as x minus 11. So you have a same factor on top and bottom, so we can cancel x minus 5 on top, sorry, x minus 11 on top and the bottom, right? So this is going to give you 1, right? So you will get limit as x approaches 11, right? So you have 1 on top, right? Then you have a square root of x plus 5 plus 4, all right? Then we plug in 11 for x. Then you will get 1 over square root of 11 plus 5 plus 4, all right? So you have 1 over, all right, square root of 16 is 4 plus 4, so it's going to be 8, right? So the answer is 1/8, right? Let's go back and see if we got the right answer. So let's see here. Type in 1 over 8, right? So let's go down and submit for testing. Right? It came back. I guess the answer was correct. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.